Field surveyors in Faridabad play a crucial role in the design and development of various projects. These professionals are responsible for collecting accurate and detailed data about the land, infrastructure, and other physical aspects of the area. By conducting thorough field surveys, they provide valuable insights and information that are necessary for the successful implementation of various projects, such as construction, infrastructure development, urban planning, and environmental assessments. Field surveyors in Faridabad are equipped with the knowledge, skills, and tools required to accurately measure, map, and document various features of the land, including boundaries, topography, existing structures, utilities, and vegetation. One of the key tasks performed by field surveyors in Faridabad is to conduct topographic surveys. These surveys involve measuring and mapping the natural and man-made features of a particular area. This information is used by architects, engineers, and urban planners to design and develop various projects, such as roads, buildings, parks, and drainage systems. Field surveyors use advanced equipment and techniques to collect data on elevation, contours, slopes, and other relevant topographic features. This data is then used to create detailed maps and models that aid in the planning and design process. In addition to topographic surveys, field surveyors in Faridabad also conduct boundary surveys. These surveys are essential for determining the exact boundaries of a property or piece of land. By accurately mapping the boundaries, field surveyors ensure that landowners have a clear understanding of their property rights and can avoid any potential disputes or conflicts with neighboring properties. Field surveyors in Faridabad are essential to the planning and execution of numerous projects. These experts are in charge of gathering precise and thorough information about the local geography, infrastructure, and other physical features. They give invaluable insights and information by conducting exhaustive field surveys, which are essential for the efficient execution of numerous projects, including construction, infrastructure development, urban planning, and environmental evaluations. Field surveyors in Faridabad have the training, expertise, and equipment necessary to precisely measure, map, and record a variety of land features, such as boundaries, topography, already existing buildings, utilities, and vegetation. Topographic surveys are one of the main jobs that field surveyors in Faridabad accomplish. These surveys entail measuring and charting the local area's built and natural elements. Urban planners, engineers, and architects use this data to design and create a variety of projects, including parks, buildings, roads, and drainage systems. Field surveyors gather information on elevation, contours, slopes, and other important topographic features using cutting-edge tools and methods. The planning and design process is then aided by the creation of comprehensive maps and